without any further ado, we introduce you the graduates.
Warm greetings to everyone from the family of SKB Vidyashram. I am happy and much privileged to welcome our beloved chief guests for this wonderful occasion. I welcome our Honorable Chairman Sir Golden Hers Ravi Sir, our Treasurer Sir Dr. Balasubramaniam Sir, our beloved advisor Ma'am Dr. Premalata Ma'am, most energetic Principal Ma'am Mrs. Shanmugapriya Ma'am, our dedicated Coordinator Ma'am Mrs. Priyanka Prasad Ma'am, dear parents, respected teachers and dear students, this is the special day. The graduation day of grade 6 is finally here. Now, let me call upon Navyajit Kumar of grade 6 to give an melting prayer song. Navyajit Kumar for your divine praise song. Now I would like to call upon Yalini of grade 6 to present a graduation speech.
My name is Yalini. I study in grade 6. Graduation day speech. Hello everyone. Here we are in the graduation ceremony of grade 6. That's fine, but we should get an idea about what is graduation day, why we are getting graduation, who are going to be graduated. Yes, graduation day is a special and memorable occasion of each student who wishes education. We are getting graduation through an existing level to the next higher level. The students who are really excel in their life through flying colors are getting graduation. Happily move on to the further in their life. So dear parents, students and dear guests, now we hope so we got classified about graduation day. So without further delay, we will start the main event of our day. Thank you.
Thank you, Yalini. Next, without further delay, let's get into the graduation ceremony. Graduating the students begin.
Let's welcome Arun Vetrivel to share his experience in this academic year.
Hi, myself Kejan Vetrivel. I am studying in grade 6 SKB Vidyashram. First of all, I would like to thank all of my teachers, and I will appreciate my teachers of management teams of conducting online class very successfully, especially the way of teaching, making learning so interesting, and explaining everything was outstanding. And I was interested in acting, and I directed a short film, and I acted in the short film. I created a short film. The short film name is Anbu, and second short film name is Neram, and I directed 2 short films, and I love to act and direct. And once again, thank you all, and thank you for my amazing teachers. Thank you.
Let's welcome parent of Arun Vetrivel to share their experience in this academic year.
Hi, this is Jayanti Kirbanandam, parent of A.J. Arun Vetrivel of 6th grade studying in SKV Vidyashram, Tiruchirappalli. I would like to express to all my teachers and appreciate all the teachers for being conducting these online classes in a very successful manner. And I could say also it was a great new adventure for both students as well as for the teachers. And I could see the teachers putting more effort in preparing their lessons, keeping online classes test, weekly test, monthly test, and they didn't even miss the assembly with the following in the prayer, morning prayer too. And it went on very well as the regular classes. We did not feel that it is online classes. The only thing they were at home, they did not go to the bus. And I could say also the teachers not only took interest in the studies for the students, they encouraged all the students in participating in the competitions and celebrating the festivals too for this academic year. And I could say that really, I once again say that grateful to all the teachers for appreciating and encouraging my son for this academic year. Thank you.
Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. We are happy to say this. You are promoted to grade 7. Congratulations, my dear. Let's welcome Darun to share his experience in this academic year.
From grade 6, SKV Vidyashram Senior Secondary School. My ma'ams and my parents do studies me, and I will study better than I will be good for my class and my parents. Thank you.
Let's welcome parent of Darun to share their experience in this academic year.
நான் வந்து பிரியா தருணோட அம்மா பேசுகிறேங்க. தருண் வந்து முன்ன கூட இங்கே நல்லா படிக்கிறான். ஸ்கூலில் டீச்சர்ஸ் எல்லாம் வந்து நல்லா சொல்லித்தராங்க. நேரடியாக ஸ்கூல் போய் படிக்கிற மாதிரியே ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸில் நல்லா சொல்லித்தராங்க. என்ன டவுட் கேட்டாலும் பொறுமையாக சொல்கிறாங்க. அது வரைக்கும் ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். என் பையன் முன்ன கூட இப்போ நல்லா படிக்கிறான். எல்லாருக்கும் தேங்க்ஸ். எல்லா டீச்சர்ஸுக்கும் நன்றி.
Don't allow someone to make you feel like you are not good enough. We are happy to say this. You are promoted to grade 7. Congratulations, my dear. Let's welcome Harshini to share her experience in this academic year.
Hi friends, I am Harshini. Today is our graduation day. I am happy to complete this year. Well, in this pandemic situation, our school planned well to the schedule our studies, extracurricular activities, and also the competitions in online itself. So, in this pandemic, all our do our studies better and safe in home. Thank you to my school, Vice Principal Ma'am, Coordinator Ma'am, and teachers. And also I thank my parents to help my studies. Thank you.
Let's welcome parent of Harshini to share their experience in this academic year.
Good morning. I am grade 6 KS Harshini mom. My child successfully completed in this year in online class itself. The teachers are clearly explained the classes and the lessons. The childs are asked doubt and the teachers are very calm and clearly explain the doubts. They are do exams in online itself. They do their activities like seminar and extra activities are very useful and very eager to do the work. Our school and the teachers are very helpful for the studies of our kid. Thank you.
The pessimist sees difficulty in every opportunity, but the optimist sees the opportunity in every difficulty. We are happy to say this. You are promoted to grade 7. Congratulations, my dear. Let's welcome Hem Abhishek to share his experience in this academic year.
Good evening. My name is Hem Abhishek and I'm from grade 6. And first of all, I'm really proud of me because I successfully completed grade 6 through this online classes. I love my teachers and school because teachers clear my doubts and they teach in a good way, and so we can understood easily. And I love school also because our school conduct many competitions, and I have also won in many competitions. So I love my school. Thank you.
Let's welcome parent of Hem Abhishek to share their experience in this academic year.
வணக்கம், நான் கிரேட் 6 ஹேம் அபிஷேக்கோட அம்மா பேசுகிறேன். அவன் இந்த எஸ்கேவி ஸ்கூலுக்கு நியூ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டு. இப்போ லாஸ்ட் இயர் தான் ஜாயின் பண்ணான். லாஸ்ட் ஸ்கூல் கம்பேர் பண்ணும்போது ஸ்டடீஸ் வைஸ் மற்ற ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ் வைஸ் எல்லாமே எனக்கு சாட்டிஸ்ஃபையாக இருக்குது. இந்த லாக்டவுன்லேயும் ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ் சக்ஸஸ்ஃபுல்லாக கொண்டு போனேன். எல்லா ஸ்டாஃப்ஸ்க்கும் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ். ஸ்டடீஸும் நல்லாயிருக்கு. மற்ற ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ் லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் ரைட்டிங் ஏசிபி கிளாஸ் அதெல்லாம் செல்ஃப் டெவலப்மெண்ட்க்கு குழந்தைங்களுக்கு ரொம்பவே யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குது. தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் ஆல் ஸ்டாஃப்ஸ் அண்ட் ஸ்கூல்.
When everything feels like an uphill struggle, just think of the view from the top. We are happy to say this. You are promoted to grade 7. Congratulations, my dear. Let's welcome Kavishna to share her experience in this academic year.
I am Kavishna from grade 6. On this year 2020 to 2021, our school has started online classes. I attended all online classes and also my teachers guided me in this online classes. I thank my in-charge teacher Kalepriya ma'am to clear all my doubts, and also she guided in all subjects and activities. I thank my subject teachers Priyadarshini ma'am and Subramaniam sir to guide in grammar topics. I thank Tamil ma'am, Menaka ma'am to teach very well in Tamil subject. I thank Vigneshwari ma'am for maths. She have taught very well, and also I understood his sums, and also she had cleared my all doubts. I like the way her teaching. I thank my science teacher Kritika ma'am and Nandini Priya ma'am to guide in science subjects. I like the method of her teaching, and also they conducted lab activities. I thank social teachers Saranya ma'am and Vindhya ma'am to teach very well in social subjects. I had to thank my management to conduct the competitions and also activities. I have participated in all competitions and activities, and also I have won some prizes. I have won second prize in elocution competition and essay writing competition. I have won first prize in quiz competition and painting competition, etc. Our school has celebrated online celebration on some festivals and also some important days like Independence Day, Republic Day, Diwali celebration, Pongal celebration, Youth Welfare Day, etc. Our school has also developed my skills. Once again, I thank my management and all my teachers. Thank you.
Let's welcome parent of Kavishna to share their experience in this academic year.
வணக்கங்க. நான் 6th ரூபி கவிஷ்ணா அவங்க அப்பா பேசுகிறேங்க. இந்த கொரோனா காலகட்டத்திலையும் வந்து எஸ்கேவி வித்யாசிரம் பள்ளி வந்து தங்களுடைய மாணவர்களுக்கு அந்த ஆன்லைன் வகுப்புகள் மூலம் அந்த அகடமிக் சைடை வந்து டச்சில் வச்சுருதுக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றிங்க. அதாவது வகுப்பறையில் பாடம் நடத்துங்கிறது வேறங்க, இந்த ஆன்லைனில் பாடம் நடத்துறது இட்ஸ் என்டையர்லி டிஃப்ரெண்ட். பட் பார்த்திங்கன்னா வந்து நான் கவனிச்சேனுங்க, இந்த டீச்சர்ஸ் வந்து போத் மேல் அண்ட் ஃபீமேல் டீச்சர்ஸ் ரொம்ப சிரமப்பட்டு கிளாஸ் நடத்துனாங்க. உண்மையாலும் வந்து அவங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றிங்க. ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ.
The best way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. We are happy to say this. You are promoted to grade 7. Congratulations, my dear. Let's welcome Mehasri to share her experience in this academic year.
Good morning to all. My name is Mehasri. I am studying in 6th standard in SKV Vidyashram CPSE school. Today is the graduation day. Graduation is such a milestone of every children's life. Celebrating milestones and education achievements helps giving a child a sense of accomplishment and pride. I am very proud to study in this school because the teaching method is very good, and I am very glad to say that I am going to the 6th to 7th standard. In my school, I have conducted many competitions and I have got many certificates like drawing competition, painting competition, essay writing competition, storytelling competition, yoga competition and many more. Through that I can also improve my knowledge. During the lockdown period, the online class being conducted. My parents, my teachers have been motivated me to study. If any doubt remains, I will ask to my in-charge teacher or subject teachers to clarify my doubts. I once again thanking to my subject teachers are Tamil for Menaka ma'am and Alex Pandian sir, English for Priyadarshini ma'am and Subramaniam sir, Maths for Vigneshwari ma'am and Sandhya ma'am, Bioscience for Nandini Priya ma'am, Physical Science for Kritika ma'am, Social for Saranya ma'am and Vindhya ma'am, GK and CS for Chitra ma'am and Balaji sir, Hindi for Venkat ji and Lavanya ji. I am thanking to all. I am a special thanks to my in-charge teacher because Kalepriya ma'am had helped in many ways, and I also my special thanks to my vice principal ma'am, coordinator ma'am and my principal ma'am. In our school had conducted the Girl Child Day competition. Through that I have got the first place in Namakkal collector office. I have got the shield by Thirutangamani. These drawing competitions have been helped me, teacher Lavanya ji. I am once again thanking to all my friends and my parents and my dear teachers. Hooray! I am going to graduate to the 6th to 7th standard. Thank you to all. Have a wonderful day.
Let's welcome parent of Mehasri to share their experience in this academic year.
எஸ்கேவி ஃபேமிலியில் இருக்கக்கூடிய எல்லா ஸ்டாஃப்ஸ்க்கும் என்னுடைய மாலை வணக்கத்தை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். அதாவது ஒவ்வொரு வருஷமும் நம்ம இந்த இயர் எண்டில் வந்து எக்ஸாம் முடிஞ்சோன்னையும் பிப்ரவரியில் வந்து ஸ்கூல்லேயே கிராஜுவேஷன் டே வைப்பாங்க. ஆனால் இந்த வருஷம் வந்து கொரோனாங்கிறதுனால வீட்லேயே கிராஜுவேஷன் டே செலிப்ரேட் பண்ணலான்னு ஐடியா பண்ணாங்க. ஸோ எல்லா குழந்தைங்களுமே எந்த ஸ்கூல்லையுமே இந்த அளவுக்கு இது பண்ணியிருக்க மாட்டாங்க. இந்த வருஷம் ஃபுல்லாக நல்லபடியாக ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ் எல்லாமே கொண்டு போனாங்க. இந்த ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ் வந்து நார்மல் கிளாஸ் மாதிரியே அதோடவே நல்லா இருந்துச்சு. ரீடிங் ஸ்கில், லிசனிங் ஸ்கில், ஸ்பீக்கிங் ஸ்கில், ரைட்டிங் ஸ்கில் 4 ஸ்கில்லுமே நல்லபடியாக கொண்டு போனாங்க. ஸ்கூலு இருந்தாலுமே குழந்தைங்க நல்லா பண்ணுவாங்க. இருந்தாலும் அதோட ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸில் இன்னும் சூப்பராக பண்ணாங்க. ஒவ்வொரு டீச்சர்ஸ்க்கும் ஒவ்வொரு சப்ஜெக்ட் டீச்சர்ஸ்க்கும் என்னுடைய நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். அவங்க வந்து நல்லா நடத்துனாங்க. ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸில் டைமுக்கு வந்துடுவாங்க. அதேமாதிரி குழந்தைங்க என்ன டவுட் கேட்டாலுமே கொஞ்சம் கூட மனசு இது பண்ணாமல் கரெக்டாக நல்லா சொல்லி கொடுத்துட்டு இருந்தாங்க. எப்போ ஃபோன் பண்ணாலுமே டவுட் கிளியர் பண்ணுவாங்க. அதே மாதிரி ஒவ்வொரு மந்த்தும் காம்படிஷன் வச்சு குழந்தைங்கள அவங்களுடைய தைரியத்தை வந்து அவங்க எதுக்குமே பயந்துக்காமல் இருக்கணும் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கோசரம் நிறைய காம்படிஷன்லாம் வச்சுருந்தாங்க. குழந்தைங்க எல்லாமே நல்லபடியாக கலந்துக்கிட்டாங்க. நல்லா எல்லாமே பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணி நிறைய பார்ட்டிசிபேஷன் சர்டிஃபிகேட்டு மெரிட் சர்டிஃபிகேட் எல்லாமே கொடுத்துட்டு இருந்தீங்க. ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ் மேம். அதே மாதிரி செமினார் வீடியோ அட்டன் பண்ணுறது மூலிமா அவங்களுடைய தைரியம், அவங்களோட ஸ்பீக்கிங் ஸ்கில்ஸ் வந்து இன்னும் அதிகமாச்சு. அதே மாதிரி லிசனிங் ஸ்கில்ஸ்க்கு வந்து கூகுள் ஃபார்ம்ஸில் கொஷின்லாம் கொடுத்து அது மூலிமா அவங்களுடைய லிசனிங் ஸ்கில்லை இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ணிங்க. ரைட்டிங் ஸ்கில் எக்ஸாம் நல்லபடியாக குழந்தைங்க ஒவ்வொரு வீக் டெஸ்ட்லேருந்து யூனிட் டெஸ்ட்டு டேர்ம் நாங்கள் எப்படி ஸ்கூலில் ஓப்பன் பண்ண வைப்பீங்களோ அதே மாதிரியே வச்சுருந்தீங்க. ரொம்ப நல்லா கொண்டு போனாங்க இந்த வருஷம் ஸ்கூலு. எந்த ஸ்கூல்லையுமே இந்த அளவுக்கு வந்து குழந்தைங்களுக்கு ஒரு தைரியத்தை கொடுத்து இந்த அளவுக்கு கொண்டு வந்துருக்க மாட்டாங்க. அதே மாதிரி ஒவ்வொரு எக்ஸாம் முடிஞ்சதுமே பேரண்ட்ஸ் மீட்டிங் வச்சு பேரண்ட்ஸ்க்கு வந்து அவங்க பாப்பா குழந்தைங்க எந்த சப்ஜெக்டில் வந்து வீக்காக இருக்காங்க அப்படிங்கிறத ஸ்டாஃப்ஸ் மூலிமா எல்லாத்துக்கும் எல்லா பேரண்ட்ஸுக்குமே சொன்னீங்க. அதே மாதிரி தனியாக வெபினார் கிளாஸஸ், அப்புறம் சாட்டர்டே எடுக்கக்கூடிய லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் ரைட்டிங் கிளாஸ், ஏசிடி கிளாஸ், இது எல்லாமே குழந்தைங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப உபயோகமாக இருந்துச்சு. இந்த லீவ் வந்து அவங்க ரொம்ப இந்த 2020 to 2021 வந்து அவங்க ரொம்ப நல்லா சக்ஸஸ்ஃபுல்லாக கொண்டுட்டு போனீங்க. ஸோ எஸ்கேவி ஃபேமிலியில் இருக்கக்கூடிய எல்லா ஸ்டாஃப்ஸ்க்குமே என்னுடைய நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். பிபி மேம், கோஆர்டினேட்டர் மேம், அப்புறம் மேகாவோட இன்சார்ஜ் டீச்சர் கலைப்பிரியா மேம்க்கு ஸ்பெஷல் தேங்க்ஸ் சொல்லணும். ஏன்னா அந்த இயர் ஆரம்பத்துலேருந்து கடைசி வரைக்கும் அவங்களுக்கு நிறைய எங்களுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணாங்க. எந்த சமயத்தில் எந்த டவுட் கேட்டாலுமே மனசை இது பண்ணாமல் சந்தோஷமாக எப்பவுமே எதுனாலும் கேட்டு சொல்லுவாங்க. தேங்க்யூ கலைப்பிரியா மேம். ஸோ எல்லாத்துக்குமே ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ். பாப்பா இந்த வருஷம் 6th-லேருந்து 7th போகிறா. ஸோ இந்த ஸ்கூலில் படிக்க வைக்கிறதுக்கு நாங்கள் ரொம்ப பெருமைப்படுறோம். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் ஆல்.
The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. We are happy to say this. We are promoting. Let's welcome Mithil Kritik to share his experience in this academic year.
Respected teachers and students, I speak about the graduation day function. Day to day, I am attend the online classes very well. All teachers teach classes very well. I am develop my knowledge for foundation test exams. Every staff encourage the all students. Nowadays, I preparing for exams. Sincerely, I am really student too proud of my school. Thank you.
Let's welcome parent of Mithil Kritik to share their experience in this academic year.
அனைவருக்கும் மாலை வணக்கம். ஸ்கூலில் வந்துட்டு கிராஜுவேஷன் ஃபங்க்ஷனை பற்றி ஸ்பீச் கொடுக்க சொல்லியிருந்தாங்க. அதை பற்றி தான் பேச போகிறேங்க. என்னன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, இப்போது ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸஸ் தான் இப்போ 1 year போயிட்டுருக்கு. ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ் வந்து ரொம்ப நல்லா பசங்க பண்ணிகிட்ருக்காங்க. ஸ்டாஃபும் நல்லா டீச் பண்ணிகிட்ருக்காங்க. பசங்களுக்கு என்ன டவுட்னாலும் உடனடியாக தீர்த்து வைக்கிறாங்க. அடுத்த சிலபஸ் அதாவது செகண்ட் லெசன் எடுக்கிறாங்க அப்படின்னா இப்போ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லெசனை பற்றி ஒரு ரிவைஸ் கொடுக்குறாங்க. அதுமாரி டேர்ம் டெஸ்ட்டும் சரி, கொஷின் பேப்பர்ஸும் சரி, ரொம்ப வந்து வேல்யூபிளாக பசங்க யோசிச்சு எழுதுற மாதிரி தான் இருக்குது. மேக்ஸும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நல்லா புரியுது அவங்களுக்கு. நான் கூட ரொம்ப டஃப்பாக இருக்குமோ, இப்போ புரிஞ்சுப்பாங்களோ இல்லையோ நினச்சிட்டு இருந்தேன். நல்லா பண்ணுறாங்க. மற்றபடிக்கு ஃபவுண்டேஷன் டெஸ்ட் எல்லாமே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அவங்க நாலேஜ் டெவலப் பண்ணுற மாதிரி இருக்குது. ஸ்கூலில் வந்து நம்ம எந்த குறையும் சொல்ல முடியாதுங்க. நன்றி.
Success is the sum of small efforts. We are happy to say this. You are promoted to grade 7. Congratulations, my dear. Let's welcome Subhasri to share her experience in this academic year.
Hello everyone, I am Subhasri studying in grade 6 from SKV Vidyashram Senior Secondary School. Today is our graduation day. I have completed grade 6 through online class successfully. I have enjoyed all the competitions, left hand writing class, ACP class, V-Expo, SkillNet and so on. I would like to thank all my teachers, my parents and my dear friends for helping me in trouble periods. Now I am going to graduate from 6th to 7th successfully. Thank you all.
Let's welcome parent of Subhasri to share their experience in this academic year.
வணக்கம், நான் கிரேட் 6 சுபஸ்ரீயோட அம்மா பேசுகிறேன். பாப்பாவுக்கு இந்த இயர் ஃபுல்லாமே ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ் தான் போயிட்டுருக்கு. ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எல்லா ஸ்டாஃப்ஸுமே ரொம்ப நல்லா கிளாஸ் எடுத்தாங்க. டவுட் கிளியர் பண்ணுறது, டெஸ்ட் கண்டக்ட் பண்ணுறது எல்லாமே ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்துச்சு. காம்படிஷன், செலிப்ரேஷன் எல்லாமே ரொம்ப நல்லா பண்ணாங்க. அது இல்லாமல் சப்ஜெக்ட் ரிலேட்டடாக இந்த மேத் பற்றி இந்த மாதிரி நிறையா கோர்ஸ்லாம் கொண்டு வந்ததெல்லாம் ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்துச்சு. மூக் கோர்ஸ் இது எல்லாமே. அப்புறம் வெபினார்ஸ்லாம் நிறைய எக்ஸ்ட்ரா கண்டக்ட் பண்ணாங்க. அது எல்லாமே ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சு. இந்த கோவிட் டைமில் ஸ்டடீஸ் டச் விட்டு போகாமல் இருக்க இந்த ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ் ரொம்பவே யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சு. ஸோ தேங்க்ஸ் டு ஆல் த டீச்சர்ஸ். தேங்க்யூ.
Never give up on something that you can't go a day without thinking about. We are happy to say this. You are promoted to grade 7. Congratulations, my dear. Let's welcome Abhinaya to share her experience in this academic year.
Hi, I'm Abhinaya from grade 6. I successfully completed grade 6. Here the school started the online classes. My studies in online classes. I learn new things like ACP class, left hand handwriting, and etc. I thank for my teachers and principal ma'am. Thank you.
Push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. We are happy to say this. You are promoted to grade 7. Congratulations, my dear. Let's welcome Avishka to share her experience in this academic year.
Everyone, my name is D. Avishka from grade 6, the SK Vidyashram Senior Secondary School. During COVID time, the class was conducted through online. The teachers cleared so many doubts and I learned a lot from online class. I participated assembly and competitions, done very well. It will help me to reduce my fear and I enjoyed all the celebrations and competitions. This academic year was very successfully completed. Thank you. Have a nice day.
There is no elevator to success. You have to take the stairs. We are happy to say this. You are promoted to grade 7. Congratulations, my dear. Let's welcome Dhiranesh to share his experience in this academic year.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Dhiranesh of grade 6. I am going to read today's the graduation day speech. I joined my online classes as very well, and my teachers also teaching me very well, and I can understood easily when they are teaching, and it is helpful for reading. And in my school there are conducted many competitions like spell bee, Olympic exams, drawing, role play, singing, etc. There are many competitions in our school, so I thanked to my teachers, parents and my in-charge teachers, to everyone. Thank you, ma'am.
The struggle you are in today is developing the strength you need for tomorrow. We are happy to say this. You are promoted to grade 7. Congratulations, my dear. Let's welcome Harushya DM to share her experience in this academic year.
Good evening, everyone. This is DM Harushya. I am doing 6th standard. I am here to share some thoughts about online classes. I utilize learning in online as physical classes. I have done more and more competition and get e-certificates. It is so useful and easy. I improve my reading skills through learning in online. I have improved some more skills like drawing, writing through online classes. I utilize that online is so useful. I learned how to operate online tools and how to operate computer and how to give command to it. In Max, I learned measurements and some more types of measurements and etc. It is so comfortable to learn in online classes. Thank you.
Education is our passport to the future. We are happy to say this. You are promoted to grade 7. Congratulations, my dear. Let's welcome Litish to share his experience in this academic year.
Hello, my teachers and my lovely friends. I am from SKV Vidyashram Senior Secondary School, and I was very proud to be a SKVN because teachers were take caring of students and me, and they are very lovely. Thank you, Principal Sir and my teachers. Thank you.
The expert in anything was once a beginner. We are happy to say this. You are promoted to grade 7. Congratulations, my dear. Let's welcome Netra Sri to share her experience in this academic year.
Hi everyone, I'm Netra Sri from SKV Vidyashram Senior Secondary School at Kannamalayam. I really want to thank all the teachers to continue our studies in this difficult situation. And we are very happy to attend the online classes. They are giving the homework, activities and seminar. We are doing homework and upload in this Teams within a time. And we are doing the activities and send to our in-charge teachers. The activity is for enjoying. And we are free at Sunday. Thank you.
Self-belief and hard work will always earn you success. We are happy to say this. You are promoted to grade 7. Congratulations, my dear. Let's welcome Sarathi to share his experience in this academic year.
Big good morning to my kind teachers, family, my dear friends. It's time to say bye-bye. Our year has come to an end. If you made more lovable memories and many more new friends. Now here is Sarathi to tell more proud of our school. First, I thank our school management and my lovable teachers. Our year has ended with quarantine. Of course, but our school management has arranged online class. Also, most conductors, Independence Day, Children's Day, Teachers Day, Diwali, Pongal, Science Day, Mathematics Day, Republic Day, Robotic Day. Oh, how many days? It all thanks for our school management and teachers. And some extra class like SCP class, left and writing. SCP class connect down social activities and make us to changes our characters. This class will conduct Saturday. I am very proud of this class. Last but not least, the celebration and
society. Thank you, teachers and families.
If you cannot do great things, do small things in a great way. We are happy to say this. You are promoted to grade 7. Congratulations, my dear. Let's welcome Sri Varshan to share his experience in this academic year.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Srivarshan and I study in grade 6 and I'm going to further education. And I am studying from SKV Vidyashram. The 1 year in online classes. The online classes is online class for activities lab, homework and all of the things. The online class is very super and for education. Thank you.
Don't allow someone to make you feel like you are not good enough. We are happy to say this. You are promoted to grade 7. Congratulations, my dear. Let's welcome Sri Kumaran to share his experience in this academic year.
Hi friends, I am Sri Kumaran from grade 6. I was very happy to study in SKV. I am going to finish 6th and going to 7th. In this period, the online class was very interesting to listen and the teachers was clearing doubts neatly and the school was very disciplined. I was very proud to study in this school. Thank you.
Self-belief and hard work will always earn you success. We are happy to say this. You are promoted to grade 7. Congratulations, my dear. Let's welcome Diya Sri to share her experience in this academic year.
Good morning to all. I am Tia Shri from grade 6. I am pleasure to welcome families, students and faculties to graduation day in our SKB Vidyashram. These days is very common in every school to celebrate the successful completion of the academic year. I am delivering this speech. I have remembered the last year. Even though the COVID situation, faculties and management all provide better education and proper motivation to all students through online. I am happy today to review my graduation. I am thank you to my ma'am for giving this opportunity. Thank you.
The beautiful thing about learning is nobody can take it away from you. We are happy to say this. You are promoted to grade 7. Congratulations, my dear.
Tanishka Shri to deliver the vote of thanks for the gathering.
Vote of thanks for graduation. It is my privilege to have been asked to propose vote of thanks on this occasion. I would like to thank our chairman sir, treasurer sir, advisor ma'am, principal ma'am and coordinator ma'am on this auspicious occasion at graduation day. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation for students who have graduated for next level. I also wish to express my gratitude to our teachers to their all-time support and constant encouragement. I extend my wholehearted thanks to parents for their enormous cooperation from their side, and I extend my sincere thanks for all non-teaching staffs. I thank Almighty for successful completion of this year in this pandemic situation. Thank you all.